Today I will share with you 3 amazing egg wash secrets. What is the best way to make your egg wash, when to apply your egg wash, and which one of the 6 egg wash recipes will give you the result you want. So let's jump into it. Our first stop is what is the best way to make your egg wash. Maybe you tried the chopsticks, the fork, the whisk, the mixer, and nothing ever worked fully. You always had residual lumps. Not anymore. Take your egg, put it in a jar or Tupperware, then shake it vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds, and your egg wash will be silky smooth with no lump. Another question you may have is when to apply your egg wash. There are many methods, but the most foolproof is to put your egg wash just before putting your challah in the oven. It's the best time and the easiest way. Our last egg wash secret is what egg wash recipe will give you the result you want. Well, the answer depends on what is your goal. Is it a shiny, matte, dark, golden finish to your challah? This is why we have 5 egg wash recipes and 1 egg wash substitute recipe for you today. Our first egg wash will simply use the yolk of the egg. When you apply it, it will be the thickest and creamiest, and it is noticeably richer in color. The second egg wash will be a full egg with 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. This will help break down the proteins in the egg white and liquefy the egg wash and make it more easy to apply on your challah. The third version will be egg whites. Even when it is thoroughly shaken, it is difficult to mix. It stays lumpy and creates a lot of bubbles at the surface of your challah. The fourth version will be 1 full egg and 1 tablespoon of water. It is easy to spread and gives a nice shine to your challah. The fifth egg wash recipe will be a full egg and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened plant-based milk. It is comparable to the egg and water mix, but perhaps a bit thicker at the application. The last one, for people who are allergic to eggs or maybe vegan, will be to add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened almond milk with 1 teaspoon of agave syrup. Before continuing, pause the video and write in the comment section which one you think will be the darkest and which one will be the lightest. Don't worry, I'll wait for you. And here are the results. The egg wash with only the egg yolks is of course the darker and the shiniest. The egg wash with the full egg and salt mix is nice but shows a few irregularities and cracking. The egg white only egg wash is bumpy and full of bubbles at its surface. The water and egg recipe is light and has a semi-gloss. The milk and egg wash is a bit darker and has a nice shine with a regular surface. And the egg wash substitute, the agave, has caramelized the top, giving a deep color with very little shine. So what's your favorite egg wash? Which one surprised you the most? Please let me know in the comments below. My favorites, of course, are the egg yolks and the plant milk and full egg option. I hope you will tag me on Instagram and Facebook with your beautiful and favorite challah egg wash. Thank you for being here. It means the world to me. Please don't forget to give me a boop if you like this video. As a follow-up to this video, I will encourage you to watch these 2 videos on challah making. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.